start our lesson for the 7th grade Healthy Habits. Today's lesson, how to stay healthy. Learning and lesson objectives. We're going to first revise the words on topic. The second, ask our classmates about their sleeping habits. And the third, read the text for the specific information. Let's start our lesson. Firstly, write about 3 reasons answering what would you like to find out about. And repeat after me and translate new words into your vocabulary. There are a few new words: snooze, familiar, on average, sleep in tiredness, concentrate, suffer from, stress, lack, solution, routine, full, stomach, boost, your performance, catch up on something. Next, read the text. You have 5 minutes for the reading. You're having the best dream you ever had. Suddenly, the alarm goes off. No. You reach out your arm and turn it off. You just want to snooze for 5 more minutes. Does it sound familiar? Well, you're not alone. Teenagers everywhere are trying to get just a little more sleep. So, why is this? Well, to start with, on average, teenagers need to sleep an hour longer than adults. Also, teenagers usually feel sleepy later at night than adults and take longer to wake up in the morning. And that's the reason why you always want to sleep in. But can tiredness really hurt you? Unfortunately, it can. If you don't get enough sleep, you find it harder to concentrate at school and might do worse in your exams. You're also more likely to get ill or suffer from stress. In addition, you will eat more unhealthy foods to help you stay awake. Lack of sleep can affect everything. Luckily, there is a simple solution. Get more sleep and sleep better with a good evening routine. Firstly, you must eat dinner early so you don't go to bed on a full stomach. Then, about an hour before you go to bed, you should start going something quiet and relaxing. Switch off your gadgets, as the bright light from your smartphone or tablet can wake your body up. Finally, go to bed and get up at the same time every day. This helps your body find the right time for bedtime. If you follow these tips, you get more sleep. You will boost your performance at school while staying happy and healthy. Remember, there are no dreams without sleep. So, if you want to follow your dreams, make sure you catch up on those. Read the text again and mark statements. Correct the false statements. You have 2 minutes. Then we will check the answers. Okay, let's check the answers. Open your copybook and try to Answer for the following questions. Discuss why. Firstly, don't snooze your life away. Second, healthy sleeping habits. And the third, the link between sleep and success. There is your homework and our lesson is over. What information from the text is worth remembering? Write the feedback into the comment. Goodbye, students.